Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I will show you how to delete a group chat on Messenger using your iPhone. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, find the Messenger app on your home screen. Now tap on it. Once you are in the Messenger app, find the group chat you want to delete. You can also search it on your search bar. Now select the group chat you want to delete. After that, simply slide the chat to your left. Now you can see there is a more option with 3 dots on it. Now click on it. Here you will have the option of delete group. Simply select it. The app will ask for a confirmation once more. Now select delete. Now the group chat has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You have successfully deleted the group chat on Messenger in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.